underscore this before we talk even more about focus areas. When all you have is ratings, and I have intentionally made this a ridiculous looking chart. So we know how many items are often included in an employee engagement survey, and there are a lot of them. And what happens, of course, apart from the fact that it's a just delightful rainbow to look at, what happens is it's impossible to really focus on all of those things at once. And so as a takeaway, what often happens is someone presenting this data says, okay, well, here's the stuff at the top and here's the stuff at the bottom. And we all decide, great job, us, with the stuff at the top, and oh no, the stuff at the bottom. So while we might spend a little bit of time celebrating the stuff that's at the top, hopefully it's reflecting some of those things that we have been doing throughout the year that we're really proud of, some supporting, reflecting those initiatives, hopefully. Not just random, where did that even come from? But that's also possible too. We don't always know the entire story until we ask the questions. But down here, show me the lowest. Unfortunately, this is not always the way to go. So I sometimes refer to this as the squeaky chair problem. So are people really concerned about having the squeakiest chairs or the most uncomfortable furniture? And so we're asking a lot of questions about work environment. Maybe we have a whole dimension about that. If you find out that the lowest rating goes to furniture, might be actionable, might be useful, but what it doesn't tell us is, if I change the furniture, will engagement go up? Same thing at the top of the scale as well there too, though, is if I keep doing these great things, will engagement stay high? There's no relationship here between engagement and these drivers. It's just a big list.